Alright, so how do you change a battery in an Audi A4? This one's a 2010. It's an A4 Quattro turbo. So you're going to want to come over here. This has not been washed in a while. You come over here and you look for the... What the heck? Where's the battery? Alright. Well, it is not in there. So, what we're going to do, pop the trunk, pull this up. Cool little trick. Audi actually makes a clip there so you can let that hang. Now, I'm going to unscrew this. I'm going to take this out. Take this piece off. I have to take this out. Unscrew these. So these are 13 millimeters. You do need an extender. Alright, take this off. And this plastic part comes off. And this little piece here. And there are the terminals. But you take the terminals off. Oh, you also have to take this little bracket out as well, 13 millimeter. Unplug this breather hose, and then I'll show you how to replace it. So to put the battery back in, you just basically do the opposite of what was done taking it out. Ugh, jeez. It's very heavy. I'm just gonna take this piece out. Over here, put it right in there. Alright, and you put this, oh boy. And then you put this. And just put this back in. So you put this on. And put the tire back on. And just twist that on, and you're done. And that is how you replace the battery in the Audi. Real quick, I'm going to show you how to jump, or where the battery terminal is to jump an Audi A4. This is an A4 Quattro. Come over here. This hasn't been washed in a while. Don't see a battery here. It's actually up here. So you pull up this little cover and you have this container. You're going to push this tab back. It's a little tricky. There's a little tab right here. You push it back and then you pull up. Yeah, that's pretty fun. Alright, pull up. So then right there is the positive terminal. So you're going to clamp your red one there, and then over here is a negative terminal. You clamp the negative one there. And then you jump start the car just like you normally would. And that is how you do it.